Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we're going to have some fun drawing the fearsome Slender Man. And when you have your pencils all set, we are going to draw. I'm going to grab a normal pencil on my end, and I would recommend you do the same. This will be a quick exercise. So Slender Man is basically tall, very lean, and not necessarily that has a lot of detail in it. It's a very unique concept, but it's a concept that is deliciously out of proportion, and that actually adds the fun factor in it. So to make our Slender Man, we are going to add those set of lines, long set of lines here, small torso, shoulders just that broad, and long limbs again. We'll put in an oval right here, another oval somewhere here. We do not necessarily need those. As you will see, we will distort them. An oval here, an oval right here, and of course an oval for the face right around here. Now from this point onward, I'm going to be doing this with what we call with a marker. I would recommend that you should actually keep up with the pencil, especially if it is a first time practice. So from here on, what we will just do is we will put down this very basic design in the sense that it's all just a long black suit. So to quickly do this, we just put in that. Suit, so we will make it stand out like that. Make sure that you give him that collar, and he has a red tie underneath. So those are essential Slender Man elements. From here on, notice that just going so much at a time, putting in his long slender fingers, on those long slender hands, and then most of this, as we know, is black with some whites put in to highlight wherever there is some fold or wherever there is some fabric. Around, and similarly we just quickly fill this out. The second hand is pretty much the same exercise. Again, the details all depend upon you. What's your preference? We're doing a fairly very generic picture here, so I am not putting in any extraneous details. Then if you just notice that I am merely playing around with just a black marker here, because if it is to be generic practice in putting the Slender Man down, this is the easiest way to do it. It just left like so many creases in there in the suit. We left so many highlights, and we pretty much have the Slender Man down except for his very what you say, expressionless head. Now there is no rhythm to this. You are free to play around as much as you want when it comes to the head, but I am just going to put in something that is bearing minimal expression, and that is pretty much it. Now we are almost done, but we have to add, I am choosing to add some more fear into this, and I'm going to add his very fearsome tendrils. Now, they don't necessarily have to line up. There's nothing like that. But yeah, if you give them some sort of form, it would help you put some dimension into your image, as generic as the Slender Man design is. So again, I'm just like randomly putting in some shades, leaving certain whites either where he meets some more black, or just to leave that little tint of white, showing some light and dark. I'm pretty sure that kids, as fearsome as the Slender Man design is, I think that you could actually have a lot of fun as a kid drawing this character. So we're almost done here, and then so very simple, and of course we have done a quick sketch here we're not going into the detail. Otherwise I would have gone in here, add some cross hatching, even added some knuckles, but this is a quick practice, so we are not essentially going into all of that. In the background you could show what he is famous for, and that is hanging around ominously in the forest, and you could just add in gray tone, strictly gray tone, not necessarily black, some trees in the background. And even if you do not necessarily put in what you call leaves on the trees, you could just have, again, strictly in gray tone, branches going around like that, and even intertwining to make for a very scary image. So there is a very quick generic Slender Man. I hope that you have fun practicing with this unique but very simple and very effective design. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.